Quite a hot topic at the moment is home improvements. 3 out of every 5 inquiries we're getting at the moment is from customers wanting to refinance their loan, borrow against their equity for home improvements. Rather than me trying to tell you how to do this best and how to use the best of your money or your budget, I've got one of my very good friends here, Bronwyn from Bronz Designs Consultancy, to give her top tips about home renovations and how to get the best from your money.
You look at it differently, and I think you've really got to take the emotional consideration out of it.
When you're going to be selling it.
When you're going to be selling, yeah. So if you're selling the property or getting it ready for sale, and it would be really beneficial to take your own emotional mindset out of it, because you will probably save money. Typically, if you're sort of going to a flooring supplier and you're looking for different carpet and you're putting your own personal taste on it, everybody has champagne taste on beer budget to a point.
Sure.
And so, you know, you could literally pick from the standard range, and the flooring retailer will let you know, look, this is a really hot colour at the moment. Durable, great. You know, if you're buying for yourself, you're going to be thinking about what's the durability like? Do I need, you know, what ply carpet do I need? Do I need something that's a little bit, you know, allergy friendly or something? But, you know, those things you don't think about when you're selling a property. You just want to get the cheapest option in there, something that's going to look timeless, present well, and then the new owners will come in and do their own thing anyway, more than likely.
I've been looking for it in the